Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy target date funds at Fidelity. Target date funds, often called life cycle funds, are a popular investment choice for long-term goals like retirement. They provide a complete, diversified portfolio within one fund, simplifying your investment strategy. The fund's asset mix automatically shifts over time, becoming more conservative as your target date approaches, aiming to balance growth and risk management. Fidelity provides a range of target date funds, primarily known as Fidelity Freedom Funds. You can choose between actively managed funds or their index-based counterparts, the Fidelity Freedom Index Funds. The index funds generally feature lower expense ratios, often around 12 basis points, making them a cost-effective option. Actively managed funds, while professionally managed, typically have higher expense ratios, ranging from 47 to 75 basis points. Purchasing a target date fund at Fidelity is straightforward. First, log into your Fidelity account online. Then, use the search bar to find target date funds or Fidelity Freedom Funds. You will see various funds named with different years. Choose the one closest to your expected retirement. Finally, enter the amount you wish to invest and confirm your purchase. It's a simple way to set up a professionally managed portfolio. When choosing a target date fund, consider its glide path, which is how its asset mix adjusts over time. Some funds become more conservative faster than others. Always compare expense ratios. Lower fees can significantly impact long-term returns. Make sure the fund's overall risk level matches your personal tolerance. Finally, review the underlying investments to ensure it provides the diversification you desire for your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.